Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, as you are watching, we have made this layout in this way. All the transitions are running over these images. This is the navigation bar and these are the three columns. As I have told you, that is the corporate theme. So you can provide your services through making this theme. And friend, this is the contact form. So friend, now we are to bring a search box here inside this navigation. So for this purpose, I will have to go to my index.html page, because this search box will be made inside this navigation bar. As I told you that it will be placed here inside this navigation bar. So friend, I come inside nav ends and I come inside the navigation bar where right above where the nav tag is ending. So I press enter. So first of all, I will write a comment. Search box starts. Control D, and here I will write ends, and inside this comment I will make that search box. So friend, for this purpose, first of all I will make a form tag and I will close that form tag down, and inside this form tag, first of all I will use some attribute. So I will give one ID to it. ID is equal to, I will give a name to it, TF new search. You can give any name to it. SEARCH, TF new search. As I have told you, you can give any name to this ID, but I have given this TF new search. So here I will write method is equal to get an action. I will place a hash sign in it. So now I come inside it and I will make one input tag, input type is equal to double quotes, and I close this input tag. So it is input type will be text, and I give a class to it. Class is equal to double slash, and once again I will give it a name, TF text input. You can give any name, but I have given TF text input. So I come out and write name is equal to double slash, and I write here Q, and I also define it is size is equal to 21. I come out of these double quotes and I write here max length, LENGTH, maximum length, LENGTH. Now the spellings are right, is equal to double quotes, and I give it 120 maximum length. So friend, I come out of it, and here I will make one more input. Input type is equal to, and I close this input here and I write submit. I give it a value is equal to search, and I also give a class to it on the name of TF button. Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my search box browser and refresh this page. So you see that this search box is showing in this way, right under these links, navigation links, because I have not stylized this search box in my style.css page. So I come back in my index.html page. So here friend, I also make some comments, form starts and form close if you want, otherwise there is no need, because search box starts I have written and search box ends. So friend, I have made this search box. Now in next video I will come back and I will do some work in my style.css page to stylize this search box.